Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Microsoft Edge for Desktop, if we want to add a theme, we have to head over to our appearance page where we get our different themes, and then we can also click on Discover More Themes, which takes us over to the Edge Add-ons store. Now this could all be set to change, and Microsoft could be making this whole process a lot easier and simpler to do. And they also could be following a lead here from Google Chrome, because it seems that according to a new command line flag that has become available, that Microsoft will also be making themes available to choose from the side panel. And this is very similar to what we see over in Google Chrome with the customized Chrome side panel. So I thought this is interesting. And if you are using Edge, how you add themes in the browser may be changing over the next couple of months. Now in Edge Canary 1.22, which is the latest preview version, this is not a default feature, and it's still very early days, which means it's still very early in its experimental and testing phase. But we can enable this feature using a command line flag as mentioned. So if you are trying out new features in Edge Canary as an example, then this is how we go about that. Now, first of all, here's the command line flag, which will be down below. So you just copy and paste this in. That's quite a mouthful, so I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that command line flag. So this will be down below for you to copy and paste in the description. And then what you need to do is, on any shortcut for Edge Canary on your desktop, you right click on that shortcut, head to Properties, and in the target field, you will see it ends with .exe quotations. Now, after those quotation marks, you leave a space. If there's anything in front of those quotations, you delete it, and then you enter this command line flag. Just take note, though, that if you don't leave that space between quotations and the beginning of the command line flag, this may not work. So just take note of that. And then you click Apply, you click OK, and then what you'll need to do if the browser's open is close Microsoft Edge. And then you'll have to relaunch Edge Canary, which will apply that command line flag. And now if we head to our sidebar, if we head to the Customize option and click on that toggle, you will see now that there is an option here for themes. Now at this stage, because it's early days, they are testing this with Celebrate the Lunar New Year. So all the themes at this stage are pertaining to the Lunar New Year. But just wanted to bring this to attention because it seems that we may be getting some other themes that you could apply from the side panel in the future. And obviously, if you click on any of those, it'll ask you, do you want to add that theme to the browser? I'm not going to do that for this video. I just want to show you that the themes are possibly going to become available from the side panel. And as mentioned, Microsoft following suit here with Google Chrome. And personally, I actually think this may be a nice move because it will just make getting to your themes a lot easier and simpler to do. And seeing that we have this customize option already available in the side panel, I think being able to just click on that and having your themes right there in the side panel, I think maybe a step forward. But like all these brand new features, obviously I'll post and let you guys know if I get any more information. And this does become an official feature, be that for official testing or rolling out to the stable version. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.